Imagine this. Your company is hit by a cyber attack. Critical systems are down. Data is at risk, and operations come to a screeching halt. What do you do first? Do you focus on cyber risk management to identify and mitigate the threat? Or do you concentrate on business continuity to keep things running despite the disruption? Let's talk about which one of these should be your priority. Cyber risk management is all about identifying, assessing, and mitigating threats to your digital infrastructure. It's proactive. You're looking ahead. You're trying to find vulnerabilities before attackers do. This approach helps prevent incidents from occurring in the first place, reducing likelihood of downtime or data breaches. By investing in strong cybersecurity measures like regular vulnerability assessments, multi-factor authentication, and employee training, you build a resilient defense against evolving threats. But what happens when an attack slips through? That's where business continuity comes in. It's reactive but equally essential. Business continuity planning ensures that even if your defenses fail, your organization can still operate. This means having backups, redundancies, clear procedures for communication and recovery. It's all about minimizing impact, keeping your customers happy, and your reputation intact. In today's world, where downtime costs companies an average of $300,000 an hour, this is crucial. So which one should you focus on? Here's the thing, it's not an either-or scenario. Cyber risk management and business continuity are two sides of the same coin. Cyber risk management reduces the chance of an incident, while business continuity prepares for you when one inevitably happens. The real answer is balance. You need to invest in both. By doing so, you create a layered defense that not only protects your digital assets, but ensures your business remains resilient in the face of disruption. In the end, it's all about building a comprehensive strategy that integrates cyber risk management with business continuity. So when a cyber crisis hits, and it will, you're not scrambling, you will be ready. This has been your cybersecurity tips of the week. Everyone, please stay safe and secure until we see you next time.